evaluations of indeterminate forms, infinite minus infinite, 0 into infinite. Okay, so student, we can see that if limit fx x tends towards a infinite and limit gx x tends towards a equal to infinite, then fx x tends towards a minus gx x tends towards a is in the form of minus infinite, then it can be written as limit 1 upon gx minus 1 upon fx upon 1 upon fx gx. Okay, so now we can see this is in the form of 0 upon 0. So infinite minus infinite can be written in this way. You can find this step equal to this step. Taking LCM here, we cancel out fx minus gx. So this step equal to this whole step. So using this way, we can solve infinite minus infinite type questions. Okay, now if limit fx equal to 0 at x tends towards a and limit gx x tends towards a equal to infinite, then fx into gx x tends towards a, this is 0 into infinite. Okay, is in the form of 0 into infinite, and it can be written as 0 into infinite. Okay, so this can be written as limit x tends towards a fx upon 1 upon gx. So it is in the form of 0 upon 0. Okay, or you can write it limit x tends towards a gx upon 1 upon fx. Then it is in infinite upon infinite form. So this you have to change it in this type of the form. Okay, means important point is 0 upon 0 and infinite upon infinite. Okay, so infinite also we have to change in 0 upon 0 form. So the main point of evaluation is 0 upon 0. Okay, now the questions we have, will do it. Evaluate the following. Doing these questions, students, we can better understand the basic concepts. Limit x tends towards 0 cosec x minus 1 upon x. So you can see here, if we put here 0 cosec 0, what is the value of cosec 0? That is infinite, and 1 upon x, it is infinite. So it is the form of infinite minus infinite. Okay, so we have to change it. So we can write 1 upon sin x, 1 upon x, x tends towards 0, and we can take the LCM here. Now you can see 0 minus sine 0 0, it is 0 into 0 0, so now it is 0 upon 0 form. Okay, so using L'Hospital's rules, so we can differentiate it 1 minus cos x upon sin x into 1 plus cos x into x. X tends towards 0. So now we can see here again 1 minus cos 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, it is again 0 upon 0 form. So we have to use again L'Hospital rule. So again using L'Hospital rule, what we got it? Sin x upon 2 cos x plus minus x sin x, x tends towards 0. Now if we put here, we can take cos 0 1, 0 upon 2 minus 0. So we can put here 2 minus 0 is equal to 0. So this is your required solutions. Okay, student. So this way you can take the values of infinite minus infinite types. Now evaluate the following limits. Limit x tends towards pi by 2 cos x into log 10x. Now you can see if you put here pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is 0 and 10 pi by 2 is infinite. Okay, so we can say this is belongs to 0 to infinite, 0 into infinite form. So in 0 into infinite form we already have to use that we should be changed into infinite upon infinite form or 0 upon 0 form. Okay, so we can write this question log 10x upon sec x, x tends towards 0. Now it is infinite upon infinite form. You should try to keep log upside always. Okay, now using L'Hospital rule, we got it 1 upon 10x into sec square x upon sec x 10x, x tends towards 0. On simplifying we get it sec x upon 10 square x, x tends towards 0. Now we putting here value pi by 2, limit was pi by 2. Pi by 2 is infinite and now sec pi by 2 is also infinite. So now we can write this in cos x upon sin square x form. Now again it is putting the value here, cos pi by 2 0 and it is 1, it is equal to 0. This is your required answer, and thank you for watching